What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to find the game file location of Shadow 1. So this is very easy because it is a Steam game. You can easily go to the Steam application. Once you have opened the Steam application, then you can go to the game. As you can see, we have the Shadow 1 game over here and we can right click on that. Now go to Manage and then you will find Browse Local Files. Once you have clicked on that, this screen will be opened and you are now in the game file location. This is the game file, so this is the exe application file and here are the game files. And this is how you locate the game file of Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!